Okay, here we are. This is the same as my last video, pretty much, except I'm using a different microcontroller. In this case, I'm using one of these ATTY 85s by DigiSpark, really excellent little microcontrollers. Because I don't have many inputs and outputs, and the way this thing does power through it, I'm actually running just one pin right here for the relay, and all that pin does is turn the relay on and off. So if we look here on the relay, I don't know if you can actually see that, but it's into the in pin, and then the VCC and ground are plugged into my breadboard over here. Now the signal pin from the switch coming on the breadboard comes over here, and I've got this one going into looks like 0, maybe it's 1. That's probably 0 because I'm using 1 for the LED. Now I have a power supply coming into this pin because I'm not running it off of my little cell phone battery over here. So off of the 5-volt power supply on my breadboard here, I got a couple of wires here. This guy, and it comes in for the pin, and it comes over to the ground too. Ground is one of these black wires here. One of these black wires goes into the breadboard, and one of them goes in right there. And works exactly the same way. Hit the button. As you can see, the light goes out. My 12-volt voltmeter comes on. We wait. The green light will go out. When the green light goes out, we can still push the button here, and it won't do anything. But if we wait a couple of seconds and then hit the button, there we go. And we can see the green light's gone out. The voltmeters come on. Wait for the green light to come on. The voltmeter will go out. So that's all there is to it. This is a different microcontroller doing exactly the same thing as my larger Arduino. This is a new setup. Same program. It's running on a different microcontroller. I'm using the Arduino 18 mega 168 3.3 volt 8 megahertz processor here, and I got it wired up in my prototype stage. Same relay, same voltmeter, same button. Push the button. LED on the Arduino comes on. This comes on. It'll stay on for 15 seconds. Now I had to wire this a little bit differently because this Arduino runs off of 3.3 volts. So I came off the 3.3 volt side of my power supply down here. I went ahead and left the relay on 5-volt power because that needs 5-volt power. So we're all set. And as you can see, it finished. We could hold this down. Got to wait for the delay when the button becomes active again to turn on. And that's it. So there we go. We done the same program on 3 different microcontrollers, and they all work pretty well. So hope that helps you develop some projects of your own.